truth and that's no offense. Why fools don't know themselves? They think they've got the answer. What to your stupid way? The truth is the truth and that's no offense. Them fools should know themselves. Who think they've got the answer? What a whoa. Come my little sister, come my little brother, we can do this hand in hand. Never you jump to criticize, first analyze what you don't understand. Cause now we walk in a thin line between what's real and what's illusion. So cut up so much in the wrong little world is nothing but confusion. Oh well, I wouldn't change my heart to gain your lucky hand, no way. The truth is the truth and that's no offense. Why fools don't know themselves? They think they've got the answer. What to their stupid way? I say the truth is the truth, man, that's no offense. Them fools should know themselves. They think they've got the answer. What a whoa. Some attitude is like them saying them when the tree is old, one cannot bend them. Some would rather I never talk to the people so the brainwash could continue. They suppress positive influence, giving way to things that doesn't make sense. The positive influence. I say the truth is the truth, man, that's no offense. Why fools don't know themselves? They think they've got the answer. What I want to their stupid way. The truth is the truth, man, that's no offense. Why fools don't know themselves?
Unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, through the grace and mercy of heaven. Isaiah's words have come, what the prophet prophesied is done. Behold the mighty King from Zion. I'm not alone, you're not alone, no, never will, never be alone. The Comforter is here, Zion child is here. I'm not alone, you're not alone, no, never will, never be alone. The Comforter is here, Zion child is here.
Through him we have found our way. Oh yeah, our way into the kingdom of love. He has been with us, I say, every step of the way. Only the Comforter, his love will never change. Oh yeah.
I'm not alone, you're not alone, no, never will, never be alone. The Comforter is here,
Comforter is here.
Zion child is
Zion
here.
child is here.
I'm not alone, you're not alone, no, never will, never be alone. The Comforter is here,
Comforter is here.
Zion child is here. Whoa. Zion child
Zion.
is here. Whoa. So don't worry your soul, oh no. Jah has sent us home.
Together in principality, and give honor and glory unto He that is mighty. Jah, Lord, send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Lord, how great and how mighty is your name, and to be praised. Oh, he's the Almighty Creator and the King of Glory. In serving Jah, never be unfaithful, and never you be ungrateful. Through Jah you will always find mercy. How so wonderful. Send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Although every man is falling short of the glory of his holy kingdom, he will lead us to escape this captivity and find our freedom. For he is the Almighty Savior, our divine strength and Redeemer, who is like unto Jah and his glory. He's so mighty. Send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Now well, seek Jah first, all ye mighty for people, then all things are added. Let the desire of your heart be upful, righteous and clean. For he's the fullness of this testament, and with the fulfillment, glorious blessings from Jah Jah is all we shall get. Send us your love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace.
The man who's come coming I have a job of true dino. I'll bring down all evil conception and all false and fake government in this Iowa. You want to spread up upon the politics, church and commercial. Yo, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless your little and the much where you have. Yo, it is a head struggle get to you to new featured. Life you want your efforts, how could you go to no bed? Let the righteous woman be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth them with the little way them have. Yo, head struggle get to you to new featured. Life you want your efforts. Yo, hey, me say burn them to us go there. Babylon a blaze. No for them a clip up, no for them a serve. Live in a corruption so them fame and praise. No for them pollute and a pollution them a trade. Living the life of freedom was going only to them drive. Them can't take me heavens, can't study me wise. Live the youth to the levels, Babylon you too cry. Yo, golden love Rasta man rhyme. Emperor Selassie with a price. Yeah, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the youth them with the little where them have. Yo, earth struggle black woman no fit rod. Life you want your efforts out you now. Yo, let the righteous woman be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the little and the much who no have. Yo, earth struggle get you to no fit rod. Yo, never do no bad. Yo, me said the wicked man can never take the righteous man place. Bring down iniquity them ourselves through face. Now go see the big man and you from them plights. You love the conquering lion, no mistake. Rise up my people, you've been crowned with laurels. Babylon are evil, Rasta see them a corral. Yo, them a fall and a quarrel. Can't get them you to figure your mouth down a hell. Just stop show be peace, me say, and stop lick them bell. No put no extra Rasta man now compel. No little get to you figure mix up and got well. Mom smoke John Paul are evil. Well, let the righteous man be exceedingly glad. Rasta bless the little and the much sweat you have. Yo, it's so good get you
in reverence to the Lord above, let's pray for love and a glorious day. Pray the world be filled with righteousness today. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. With the rising of the sun, let's pray each day. There's gotta be a place on this earth whereby peace mankind abides. Let us find this place so every man can follow. Through my life I seek and pray that this place I will find. Help me, Lord, as I speak to the world.
Each man be each man's friend. Hope for a better world in a peaceful way. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. Pray the world be filled with righteousness today. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. With the rising of the sun, let's pray each day. In this world in which we all live, where there's life then there is hope. Let us not give up, let us keep on trying to heal this world in which we all live. Forget about receiving, let's all give. Help us, Lord, and please forgive. Each man be each man's keeper, each man be each man's friend. Hope for a better world in a peaceful way. Let's pray for love and a glorious day. Pray the world be filled with righteousness today. Let's pray for love and a glorious day.
The accent of death never quiet. Last of all, I love me veil. Yeah, man. And the Emperor Selassie, I am weird. The accent of death never quiet. Last of all, I love me veil. Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Babylon, your rent, can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Read that judgment, I tell you. Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Babylon, get drenched, can't cool, can't quench. Ethiopia, mature desire. Babylon, then how is it you get your food to eat and yet you find it hard to feed another youth that come up at your feet? Then how is it you always a strive and yet you find it hard to show another get so you tough to survive? That's why your King Selassie I reprise. Run go tell Pharaoh, him city they go bless. Me know a king or a star right up on the throne. Babylon, we the dash brimstone. The one your name can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Babylon your rent, can't cool, can't quench. Africa mature desire, black clearance. Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Babylon your rent, can't cool, can't quench. Africa mature desire, read that judgment. Bigger to you some put them in a the pit. Them judge and them jury just green and a grit and all them police and them soldiers said them ready and fit. The sniper the black say him not suit and miss the black Christ kingdom. Stand for equal rights and justice, a true human rights. Well a government none miss. Rastafari did no say PJ or the false and hypocrite and them a go bring Bruce Gold in fi make a big devil switch. Well Rasta drop Siaga in a the bottomless pit. Now follow the evil mama gun you spank you real quick. Well that's another fire. Pans and public me telling them cease from no war and wickedness in a fornication in them gun finger them go deep and not about them a water all that wine them a sit me say red gold and green in a every district and Ethiopia be the witness this a one your name. Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Babylon your rent, can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Read that judgment I tell you. Can't cool, can't quench, everlasting burning fire. Babylon get drenched, can't cool, can't quench. Ethiopia mature desire. You wanna black people?
I took a little trip trying to find myself, journeying within my soul. It took a little time then to realize that something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Yeah. For many years of being without, sometimes and all my time. please strengthen me. I cannot make it alone. I need you as my own. Oh Jah, I call on thee. Some are trying to leave you out of their life, but I wouldn't be so unwise. And so I promise to serve thee with all my heart, and I beg thee some mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day, to make it a long life's road, to carry on my load. Give me strength, oh Jah, to carry on. Oh my Lord, yeah. Say give me strength, oh Jah, to carry on and do thy holy word. Oh, yeah. Give me strength that I can make my stand above the sinking sail. Oh, yeah. Many are trying to leave you out of their life, but I wouldn't be so unwise. And so I promise to serve thee with all my heart, and I'm begging thee mercy. Lord, give me strength to face another day, to make it a long life's road, and carry on my load.
Live up, my sister. Oh boy. Live up, Rastaman. Live up. Live up in the light of our ever-living Jaja. Live up, Bongo man. Live up and see our live light shine. It's your will. Live up, Rastaman. Live up. Exalt the Creator of all living things. Live up, Bongo man. Live up. Live right and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. Well, Lord, upright and exalt the glory of Selassie the King. For unto Him glory is to be. Well, no matter how the wicked try to compete, Lord God, for He's the conquering lion, and we are the children of Zion. So high liberty must identify with the King. Oh well, Rasta liberty must identify with the King. Live it up, oh well. Live up, my brother.
Having the seal of the living King, Emperor Haile Selassie I, the Most High. And he cried out with a loud voice, saying, oh, oh, it's a raggy road, the road is so rough. A raggy road, the road is so tough. A raggy road is so rough. Raggy road, yeah, well I've been judging this road for the longest while. I'm in career, none for them want this soil. Hey, judging this road for the longest while. I never you try pop off all another man coil. Judging this road for the longest while. A long time David House and them no stop till the soil. Judging this road for the longest while. And give away more than 1/10 of the spoil. Treading this road for the longest while, and still my lamb never run out child. This a one you have to read. Go tell them I'm not bargain, tell them I'm not deal. Enough for them no one put them shoulder to the wheel. So them go rape, them go rob and them go kill and steal. All a try eat all another man deal. When a deaf, when a dumb, when a blind figure feel. One man was worthy to open the seal. Emperor Selassie I know he's real. Babylon get trampled and a meal. Raggy road, road is so rough. Raggy road, the road is so tough. Raggy road. Some me sing and some me chant. Judgment in a wrong eye. Wanna see it, wanna see it, wanna see it, wanna see it. Yo, the words of corruption is the words of death. The words of death, the words of life is the words of righteousness. Wanna look at now, yo, hey. See no evil, do no evil, sleep no evil. And so I'm going a big trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil, and your life will never miserable. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Always remember to be humble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. And so I'm going a trouble. Two man a victory, and that mean they can't lose the battle. Matter over build and huckle and tackle. Don't have me sling me sword sharp and baby. Come me come round as a fist slew every devil. Swat them from afar and me I can't dazzle. All when them little and small like a pebble. How can Eckle put in fire pan Jekyll? That's simple means and the water cause Lecky. That's why John God said the world is no level. Enough of them is to say them a work for the devil. In a high and low places when them wickedness second. Enough of them now all on principle. Yo, hey! See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. And so I'm going a big trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Life will never miserable. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. Always remember to be humble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. And so I go in a trouble. Enough comfy condemn, but we comfy fulfill. Enough comfy broke down, but a bill we comfy bill. Enough comfy empty, but a fill we comfy fill. Them a make up they nice like empty barrel. So we short now your dingy and tell them be still. No member Miss a Jack, no member Miss a Jill. Go wench up deal and this the man and get killed. Babylon you can't take me like pill. Babylon you can't roll me like barrel. Babylon you can't drink me like sorrel. Babylon you can't take me like pill. Me old king still I say I'm me a fist and yo Chuck, aye. Words of corruption is the words of death. The words of death, the words of life is the words of righteousness, of righteousness. The words of corruption is the words of death, the words of death, the words of life is the words of righteousness. Yo, oh no look at now, see no evil, do no evil, speak no evil. And so I'm going now, big trouble. See no evil, do no evil, speak no evil.
My lord, woy, 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 my lord, woy, 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 my lord, woy, 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 my lord, woy. So many things to teach right now, so many things to preach. Oh, yo, go, yo, so many things to teach right now, and so many heights to reach. I know the road is rocky, I know the road is wrong, but I swear to Jaja, there ain't no giving up, lad. Many a times I face the struggle, many a times I face the heat, but I know with Jaja around me, there ain't no giving up. Woy, 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 my lad, woy, 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 my lad, woy. So many things to teach right now, so many things to preach. Oh yo, so many things to teach right now, and so many heights to reach. Oh my Lord, my defender, hear me when I call on thee. If you hear and if you don't answer, what would happen to me? I will be amongst those who go to the world of death. So hear me when I cry, I said, when I lift my hands towards your holy temple, no condemn me with the wicked. Woy, 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 my Lord, woy, 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 my Lord, woy. So many things to teach right now, so many things to preach. Oh yo, so many things to teach right now, and so many heights to reach. Treading through life alone, with no one to call my own. Jaja is my only backbone, he put me to stand on solid ground. Lordy Lord, wicked a come in a group and bungle. We trust a man, them won't get entangled. Them have the blade, but we have the angle. You fight Jaja, you get dismantled. Woy, 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 my Lord. Woy, 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 my Lord. Woy.
Come to the fire line. Take the fire and put it on pagan and Satan. Our things are get harder, things are get tough. Down in a yard, they're easy, fit on tough. Left, right, and center. That's why no youth straight and touch the white stuff. You don't see no man a sell out with pants and shut. All who about to the devil must cut. Remember we all King Selassie I bust them better climb a tree right now like Zacchaeus. So make them go and talk. A fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them gum rasta man no coconut run down. Tell them go and talk. A fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. Everybody know this. Anyway we turn them can. This rasta in a jam down. So you have to remember to give thanks every morning when you're bored. If you want to make it in your heart, no carry on grudge. Enough of them a melt like a ice cream. For chill up your best, free your mind with love. You know you see rasta man, no watch people, no time at all. Anything we rise against rasta man, them a fi fall. Inna the earth man, a real fireball. Selassie I alone name man a call. So make them go and talk. A fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. All them attack and a beat up them gum rasta man, no coconut run down. Tell them go and talk. A fire we are born. Fire we are, fire we are, fire we are born. Conscious.
Yeah. So let it be done. Or if that's what I say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. There's always a brighter day. You will find it. So let it be done. Let your will be done. Let it be done. Whatever happens in life, it's already ordained. Two roads before you, choose one, choose one,
choose one.
There's a destiny at the end of each road, each road. We can't fight the hand of Jah, so take it as it come higher, yeah, yeah. Smile in the face of adversity. From your nose say Jah, you are saved, you see. Cause you can't feel no lower than the floor. For when time you fall, you must rise to sure. In this your day and time, things are harder than hard. Strong up yourself and answer the warrior's call. The inner voice that is within you, the voice of Jah. So let it be done. Or if that's what you say, there's no changing. So let it be done. And don't let life become such a burden. So let it be done. Cause there's always a brighter day. You will find it. So let it be done.
Sell out,
you see young one. I sell out.
sell out, no.
I firm like the rock of Gibraltar. Rasta not sell out to no devil or no pastor. Cause we know Jah for ourselves. And I put on chase after. To where some man not go with. We can't believe how we island this. Where we culture gone is what happened to with dignity. This is a big alarm. Our heroes fight for us to have our own. And burning spear come tell me my highland I'm salute. So stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters. And make iron and fight back to a culture. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters. And always remember how Jamaica. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters. And make iron and fight back to a culture. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters. And always remember how Jamaica.
Make we take pride in our culture. Be like all the freedom fighters. Remember from where we come from, oh yes. Don't deny yourself to be like another.
Yeah. I know we people alone are saying it all. The foreigner them must say it. That Caribbean's not what it used to be, yeah. Know how if we make bad influence destroy our little paradise in the Caribbean Sea, yeah. Don't forget the past, so we will not have a great future. Listen me, no people, the youth them on the future. We can't teach them to skin out and not forget the root, which is Jah.
Oh yeah.
So stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and make iron and fight back to a culture. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and make iron and fight back to a culture. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Remember you know only Rastafari is a lion. I mean a man call you them dog. Represent Mount Zion. Know yourself and don't be like the fool in the abundance of water. You're still thirsty. You have to firm like the rock of Gibraltar. Don't sell out your soul to no devil or no pastor. Know job for yourself. Jah is the only master. Only way we prosper. So stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and make iron and fight back with culture. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and make iron and fight back with culture. Stand up, stand up, stand up, brothers and sisters, and always remember how Jamaica. Always remember, yeah. Don't be like the fool now.
Friend man, keep it and find them case against him, enemy and his friend. Lord of his mercy. What me tell him say again? Lord of his mercy. Oh God, who you are going people? What me tell him say? Say united we stand and divided we fall. For them not gonna know themselves. Till them back against the wall. United we stand and divided we fall. For them not gonna know themselves. Till them back against the wall. Me tell you no arm those. We no one that boat. Those upon that will lick out. Come again. Those and we no one that boat. Those upon that will lick out. But it not right. The cable can step up in a life and a next entertainer I give him a fight. But it not right. The round that step up in a life and a next entertainer I give him a fight, but it's not right. See baby when I step up in a life and a next entertainer I give him a fight, but it's not right. See grinds man I step up in a life and a next entertainer I give him a fight, but it's not right. See panedy must step up in a life and a next entertainer I give him a fight. Me tell no those we no want that boat. Those upon that really cold. Come again. Those and we no want that boat. Those watch up people, watch up. Look how it nice. Tuna read a half pint, never fight. Look how it nice. Shape up Milan King Stitch, never fight. Look how it nice. Dennis Brown and Bob Marley never fight. Look how it nice. Peter Touch and Ira never fight. Look how it nice. Michigan and Smiling never fight. Me tell you those we no want that boat. Those upon that really cold. United we stand and divided we fall. For them not gonna know themselves. Till them back against the wall. United we stand and divided we fall. For them not gonna know them. You are going to the people. With certain things where we fin know so them no want tell we it bout. Say God a white man cut out the bullshit. Even under the earth we no want hear it. We are all one blood. Say go and tell we it. Unity strength and make we go and nourish it. Love and hate could never be friend. Dennis Brown tell we it. Earth a run red. Tuna tell we it. Marley say oh the cap fit make them wear it. Me tell no those we no want that boat. Those upon that we live out. Those and we no want that boat. Those you are going to the people. But it's not right. The jungle is a step up in a life and a next garden man want to give him a fight. It's not right. The garden man a step up in a life and a next jungle is want to give him a fight. It's not right. The spanglers a step up in a life and a next shower man want to give him a fight. It's not right. The firehouse a step up in a life and Mall Road man want to give him a fight. It's not right. The Mall Road a step up in a life and not our hill man want to give him a fight. Me tell you no those we no want that boat. Those upon that will lick out. Those and we no want that boat. Those are you are going to the people. But it's not right. The Cobra a step up in a life and the next entertainer I give him a fight. It's not right. The Capleton a step up in a life and the next entertainer I give him a fight. If music was a apple, every man forget a bite. If music was a cake, every man forget a slice. Me tell you no those we no want that boat. So you are going to the people. We say divided we fall and united we stand. None of them not going to themselves till them all can wrong. Divided we fall and united we stand. None of them not going to themselves till them all can wrong. Me tell some DJ them better understand. It don't spell no sense man we fight against no one. There is a slice of the cake for each and every man. You know say every man fi own them own position. No bother fight against no man, just defend your fraction. It don't spell no sense man we fight against no one. We let us all get together make a resolution. Build a organization and help the youth man. And make sure we build a strong foundation. Me tell no those we no want that boat. Those upon that we lick out. Those and we no want that boat.
More fire!
More fire! Red out! Wanna see her now? Well done. Yo, hey, give me the fire. Come here ready if you put it on them. Hey, give me the. Yo, I want that. Kuya when them see me with the fire. Kuya when me bully vampire. Kuya when me bully wobble walk and them kuya again. Kuya when them see me with the fire. Kuya when me bully wobble walk. Kuya when me bully vampire. Them kuya. kuya, kuya. Well, there is not no food, no worry about there is. Nothing to confuse about there is. Well, me say not no food, no quarrel about. Cause from your clean, said the fire now go burn your out there is. Well, not no food, no worry about there is. Nothing to confuse about there is. Well, me say not no food, no quarrel about. Cause even if you're dirty, so the fire still a purge out. The one that name bread, so the fire go burn them bread, and the same fire go purge them bread. Hey, give me the fire, make me serve them. Hey, give me the, yo. Walk with your children, your feet, come on the fire camp. Come on the fire food, for fire education. We teach a fire woman and we teach a fire man. Give them the fire food, give them the fire hand. Well, be a fire food, we make it them freedom. And I make give them the fire meditation. Gun Babylon, gun Scotland, gun Pentagon, gun Vatican, gun confusion, gun disillusion, gun temptation, gun destruction, gun pollution, gun malfunction, gun temptation, gun disillusion, gun corruption, the Queen of England, burn Scotland, John Paul II, burn everything we're wrong, and burn them clan, burn confusion, and burn Shenton, and big up burn Boogaman, burn lesbian. Them who agree with me will not push up on the hand. Yo, kuya, 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 when they see me with the fire. Kuya, 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 again. Kuya, 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 when they see me with the fire. Take them in upon a road, man, and we are. Badness, bring the man go pull him and burn him up. Badness, long time I tell him so to keep it up. Badness, still him really never want to leave it up. That's why the fire go burn him up. I don't want that badness. Bring the man go pull him and burn him up. Badness, pass him the sword and make it chop him up. Badness, long time I tell him so to keep it up. I say him never walk you back. So them a bad man, but them a bad man behold. So them a wicked man, but them a wicked man behold. So them a warrior, but them a warrior behold. Real warrior, but them got their number two. So them a bad man, but them a bad man behold. So them a wicked man, but them a wicked man behold. So them a warrior, but them a warrior behold. We gonna play number two, the one that name bad man. Bad man, bad man, when you pop it up, I go say rap, papa. Fire for the boy, when you go the woman, them hot. One them a Satan. What bad man? Bad man, bad man, when you pop it up, I go say papa. What fire for the boy, when you go the woman, them hot. One them a Satan. Also do the big one, yo, fuck them now. Fuck them up. Accept with them the pan. Music is my mission, and me make them no straight. So the woman on my passion. Accept with them the pan, yo, fuck them now. Fuck them up. Accept with them the pan. Music is my mission. Me tell them straight. The woman them the passion. Me no pass on ya. Alright, yeah. So, my father on the wall of them. Me nah beg no friend from none of them. Me fire on the wall of them. You know. Coulda know them get me rotty. Slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the high-sent monarchy. Now you get me rotty. Slew them with karate. Rock with my sword and the first out of khaki. Do not get me rotty. Slew them with karate. Here Rastafari, you are the golden monarchy. Do not get me rotty. Slew them with karate. Slew them with karate. Here Selassie, you are the high-sent monarchy. How you feeling? Well, I'm feeling naughty. Burn Babylon because I'm corrupt and them naughty. Lion and roar, cool the dog, them hold the barky. Yo, papa the sword and hold the flip, get marky. Them a defend wild. Well, myself is started. To know rap the whole man a burst down on the market. To do kill the innocent pedestrian on the street when them a walking. Who don't know? Question me now for asking. Me turn blood them out and me turn blood them stalking. Man nothing ran all of us still get dirty. Yo, and I'm blind. Well, then them get me rotty, so I go slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the ancient monarchy. Do not get me rotty. Me slew them with karate. Me slew them with karate. Put your down. Yo, be the good for you when you reach it, you got the clump. Make them stand yam the rubbish and stand yam out of dumb. Yo, me make me redeem and they use them put a jump. This thing I tell you, you got me a kick and come. Now disrespect anytime them come amongst. Show them good gratitude and show them love. Burn out the hate and you must burn out the grudge. And stop from said the people. Blood of the rotty, slew them with karate. Here King Selassie, you're the high-sent monarchy. So do not get me rotty, slew you with karate. Slew them with karate. Yo, hey, boom them get me rotty, so I go slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you're the high-sent monarchy. Now them get me rotty, could they know them get me rotty, could they know them get me rotty. So me go praise King Selassie, you're the high-sent monarchy. Yo, how you feeling? Well, I'm feeling naughty. Me burn up Babylon because I'm corrupt and I'm naughty. Should not rob the innocent youth down the market. Should not kill the pedestrian on the street when them are walking. Put ya no corruption and no for them are talking. Well, that's why lightning nothing is sparking. Yo, King Selassie, me say them get me naughty. Through
Selassie, oi. Know them that naughty. Good ya know, me see them that naughty.
Oh yes, for all understand. Fresh. Yes, I have wasted my time. Well, trying to deal with mankind.
And that's a very hard thing to do.
But it tickles on the back of my mind. Scratch. Well, just to leave this world behind.
And then I would have fly like a bird.
I guess I'm not the only one. Not the only one. Like to see mankind living in tranquility.
You and I, T.Y. Sure.
And if only we agree, come together, we can live in unity.
Like sisters and brothers.
We're all in this thing together. And can't we all just live as one? Whoa. We're all like birds of one feather. It's time to live as one.
So me say hands and heart and harmony. Loving one another, what a sight to say. Peace and love and unity, and that me want in my community. Oh yes, it would be nice to see the kids in the park, running round together without gunshot to pop. And it would be nice to see the enemies attack, preaching peace without no lying on them heart. Let's get together, make we get things start. Man from south, west, east and north. Cause I would never wanna see you get caught when God Almighty shall be pouring his wrath. So me say,
we're all in this thing together now. Can't we all just live as one? We're all like birds of one feather. It's time to live as one.
So me ask God, give me the strength and give me the energy. And make me talk to me family. And each and every wicked man on the follow me. Judgment and I go pretty iniquity. Unity is strength and the strength is the power. And if you get the power, then you unite together. We can't believe some man a kill for power and show up. This one I say I'm a black brother on the follow.
We're all in this thing together.
No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Someone don't know who them a deal with. Them fi stop and check. No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Someone don't know who them a deal with. Them fi stop and check. Go on them. How we a girl don't know life for who no know. When you know a sleep we a patrol out and do like silver. How we protect who no life for who no know. When you know a sleep we a patrol. I am me boss, me own big man. Me run me own show. I me no response to story. Or if me did know, go like Alaska in a the time of snow. When me chat, me no cater for no back and belly rat. Dig off your inner mail, you have to stitch it up back to you. Flex like you wicked yet you wasn't intact. You a powder your face and left your head back fool. Watch your speech, I know your chant. You a itch and you a scratch. You must say have the apparent show. How we protect who no life and who no know. When you know a sleep we a patrol out and do go on them. How we a guard who no life and who no know. When you know a sleep we a patrol. Watch out, do you exploding in the place like a fight a substance. To the neighborhood you is a big nuisance. So stop till people close off a line and pants. Now you end up down a madness, you mad and no response. You can't afford the bread, much as finance is dead mama. Ban your belly, put your hand for your head. Why mankind is so easily let me holler. How we protect who no life and who no know. When you know a sleep we a patrol out and do go on them. How we a guard who no life and who no know. When you know a sleep we a patrol. Watch this now, now that the cup has been passed around. One into the next islander in town. I have seen many kings and they all lose their crowns. So save up your rounds, cause you might have to use them later. This when the Banton say, she stands for them. With one that is a dozen for a baker. The world me have to say no respect, disrespect in all aspects. Some guy don't know who them a deal with. Them fi stop and check. No respect, disrespect in all aspects. Someone don't know who them a deal with.
Why you run your mouth so much? That shall be a destruction. Here much about the last selection, man. Yeah, Lord. Fool we no change for youth common sense. Money could outsmart experience. Enough youth a fight to prove them innocence. Enough man a chat with guilty conscience. Fool we no change for youth common sense. Money could outsmart experience. Enough youth a fight to prove them innocence. Enough man a chat with guilty conscience. To tear down every place don't make sense. I want to be in a crossroads selling constant. Round a station I give them statement. No promise no man say me I go court go warm them bench. Boy my airtight plan, boy my go make millions. I feel run left everything already to Adams. Extortion, robbery, weapons position, heroin, trafficking, cocaine, baron. Why you get the Benz on expedition? Do you have a 9 to 5 or where you get money from? Tough boy can't handle interrogation. Cock under pressure and no stop sing song. Fool we no check for use common sense. Money could no outsmart experience.
We can see Capleton's reggae music once again. It's so nice, it's so sweet, it's so beautiful to see. The people live in sweet, sweet love. Oh yeah, I feel the vibes. Lord knows it feels right. We can feel your love, boy, flowing amongst mankind. Give thanks for sweet reggae music and this positive vibe. Reggae music send a positive charge to the hearts of mankind. Reggae bring back love in the hearts of the people. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh Lord, reggae bring back love in the heart of the ghetto. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh yeah, it's all coming back. The way we used to vibes. Oh brothers and sisters in a dancehall style. Oh what a sweet sensation. Rastaman vibration. Take hold of reggae sensation with this young generation. Reggae bring back love in the heart of the people. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh Lord, reggae bring back love all across the world, Lord. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Get somebody to play a solo. Let the people feel good, man. Come on.
Go on, me boy, but me still I go hold me jaw. Watch it move, they'll ride. Life is here to enjoy. Yes, so me not sit down and I fret like Otis. Come me know this child love so amazing. Keep the fire blazing. Whether rain or fall or sun or shine, we have to praise him. Child love so amazing. Keep the fire blazing. Even if nothing now, one we still a praise him. Come on, praise him.
We have to praise him.
Praise him.
We have to praise
Come on, praise him. Everybody make we praise the King. Clap your hand and let us praise the King. Right now, now sit down in a house like most. If we make a move for the corner, no matter the vibes, man know if we survive. So something always a go on. I got no time for mix up, and I got no time for drama. Watch grandma and grandpa roll out in a old time pajama. Yeah, fire. Oh, tonight, what a fire. No bring no home tonight. No need no violence. The mama boys all got dance, and the old women them dance together. But now, listen, I'm brother, the dance all gone. And Tony B, me said that way. Warm back, we water bumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with we lady. The them a dance are too funky. Make man a moving a the dance like junkie. Warm back we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance ya too funky. Gunshot a bust the youth, them get jumpy. Dance all now is like a disgrace. If you think a joke, take a walk in a the place. In a the corner, me see bass screw face. If you ever walk near a man shoes face, big bad man a back gun off a waist. Or a Heineken bust in a your face. No leave no chase. Warm back we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance a too funky. Make man a moving a the dance like donkey. Warm back we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance a too funky. Gunshot a bust the youth, them get jumpy. Now the 70s dance all used to nice. The attendance used to be we first nice. Those days dance was like a paradise, but now dance all go like ice. Remember, man usual go dance all go throw legs. Selling peanut, him fry fish and him cakes. But now a dance here, everybody come a beg at the easiest place. See you dead, man, lift your head. Warm back we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance ya too funky. Make man a moving and the dance like junkie. Warm back we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance ya too funky. Gunshot a bust the youth, them get jumpy. When you come a dance all you better cool. Remember good reggae music rule. No bring no half a cutlass, no big tool. Dancehall is not place for food. Lord, we jog and raid, boy you better clean. We no want them mash up with dance pan we seen. Come bring your queen, if you're roping. All over double you will see what me mean. Leave the magazine. Boy, leave the magazine. Car, me say we warm back, we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance ya too funky. Make man a moving at the dance like junkie. Warm back, we water pumpy, we cool and deadly. We go dance with the lady. Them a dance ya too funky. Gunshot a bust the youth, them get jumpy. Dance now is like a disgrace. If you think a joke, take a walk in a the place. In a corner, miss spot face, screw face. If you ever walk near a man shoes lace, big bad man a pop gun off a waist. Or a Heineken bust in a your face. No leave no trace. Warm back we water pumpy. Then again, in the mid, no, now you bring it on thing all. 1, 2, aye, sick and lunch there. There's no gain in the absence of your culture. Be strong. True people remind my youth, never forget where you come from. The system makes the system break the heart of those not knowing where they belong. The feelings ache, the old vibes change. Give it a meditation. Juvenile. With your black inheritance be satisfied. High, therefore be wise. Yo, the anti-side possession, see you smile. High, juvenile. Yo, with the nickel that you can be satisfied. High, therefore be wise. Yo, the anti-side possession of prosperity. The reason for life is to love and share, give thanks and praise. We'll have to stand with might. The people words are always in the atmosphere. We'll roll the same beyond pride and shame. So get a load of that hot red hot, and we'll see your face. And just on the place, black people frame like Gibraltar rock. Juvenile. With your black inheritance be satisfied. Ethiopian child be dignified. Now righteous fruit never spoil. High, tell me why you cry. Yo, with your black inheritance be satisfied. High, juvenile. Yo, I tell you now, therefore be wise. Speak aloud. Say from your King Rastafari live. But you cut things in you one. Yo, woman and man, the personal feeling what you have against your sister, put it away. High, juvenile. With the black inheritance, be satisfied. High, tell me why you cry. Hey, the end is thy position, see you smile. High, juvenile. Hey, if the black inheritance, be satisfied. Every African child, be dignified. Yo, the righteous fruit never spoil, I tell you now. That's a foreign man, whole earth. Oh, Sizzla Kalonji and the whole words. Yo, man, show me say judgment fire blaze, you know. To have we loving and we upright. Man a bun bangarang and we a bun them confusion and strife. To have we loving and we upright. Babylon a tumble down because they make the ghetto youth to live a tough life. Loving and we upright. Man a bun bangarang so just try to upright. To have we loving and we upright. Yeah, yo courageous and we upright. And yeah, Rastafari bless the people, so respect them. King Selassie authority a manifest them. Bubba speak the words he take unto the flesh them. The works of King Selassie that interest them. Kalonji love the woman so me nah go love them. Use all the riches here and caress them. Every morning and evening Kalonji dress them. Whenever time I need it, well me have to sex them. Can't make this system come stress them. Mount Zion I there's some me a dead them. Babylon and Egypt well me have to wreck them. Judgment a figure reflect them. Where you boy up there. Rastafari and it's war on us from the cut there. Where you boy up there. Fire it up this is the Kalonji give me up there. Where you boy up there. Black and cocky and get to you dash where them stuff there. Where you boy up there. Tell them say I sick with marijuana me up there. Yo, them never war this so when Selassie I talk. Wicked man pose and them wicked man walk. Say them everywhere them like up. Say them clever but me know them never smart yo. One love sister I carry in my heart. Never carry sin enough of them I carry fault. Enough them I want get to you them fair eyes and chant. Yo, I this the you them want. Up there. That's the foreign knowledge yo. I eat up from the cup there. Why you boy? Up there. Fire eat a bird sister Kalonji give me up there. Why you boy? Up there. Back and cocky and get so you don't use them stuff there. Why you boy? Up there. That's the fire and knowledge yo. I eat full of me. Come loving on me upright. That's the fire I get so you take where them spotlight. But what we loving on me upright.
Sizzla Kalonji on a rhythm track. My brothers and sisters fighting for survival. Too much separation, no more suicidal. Miseducation, some turning to idols. We don't need no war, nothing tribal. One love my brothers, one love my sisters. Never let the system get to you. Yeah, one love my brother, true love my sister. Never let the system get to you. The brag and pump their color, so they hype and they get no scholar. Yet your words none of them now follow. You kill your brother for $1. Innocent blood spill, Babylon be still. I see you rob and kill. Fulfill the most I will. Because one love my brother, one love my sister. Never let the system get to you. Yeah, one love my brother, true love my sister. Never let the system get to you. United Nations.
My wife and my family and my child. I'm all when my words are hard, why me have to tile. I'm all about the pattern, the style. I'm all about my money, my Kyle. I'm all about the lava, the bubble and a while. And I'm all rich who I made them can't defile. Tell them one know how we survive out a road, and them one know how we survive out a road, and them one know how we arrive out a road, and them one know we not compromise out a road. Them one know how we survive out a road, and them one know how we strive out a road, and them one know how we realize out a road. Them one know we not compromise out a road. Not know where them try, not know where them try. None of them can escape. Rastafari.
can't magnify. Nuff go try dignity and can't dignify. Nuff go try sanity and can't sanctify. Nuff go try glory and can't glorify. Nuff have testimony and can't testify. Nuff go try some till them end up some fire. Nuff go try sight till them end up sci-fi. Nuff go try pony but them never bonify. That's why they don't know what them try. Don't know what them try. None of them can escape Rastafari. Don't know what them try. Don't know what them try. Them put down the wings of them morning and fly. Don't know what them try. Don't know what them try. Me not sell me soul no matter how them a buy. Don't know what them try. Don't know what them try. Them say them never miss the water till the well run dry. No for you them head, but them not edify. Fire get red, through them now medify. No go try clarity and non-clarify charity. Solidarity them now multiply. No go try justice and non-justify. Humility, simplicity them now simplify. That's the virus, Selassie is the most high. Don't know where them try. Don't know where them try. None of them can escape Rastafari. Don't know where them try. Don't know where them try. Them could not put down the wings of the morning and fly. Don't know where them try. Don't know where them try.
Won't make no penny, won't make millions. One push only, one push milligrams. Let go the one now, let go Babylon. Control bigger food than Reggae to Adams. One bid and me play for me simpleton. One put for me love unification. Act like them tough and off it tech program. Who with me make me hear you say house and land now. One big gal is while I'm here, you gal a jam. One be fling while hardcore I stand. Shouting cokehead, elevate ganja man. Messing up this thing from how long. What we come to do? Make it, get a youth, make it now. Make it for people somewhere, somehow. When you make it, never try fake it, yo. If them set a spell, man, I go break it now. Make it, get a youth, make it now. Make it for people somewhere, somehow. When you make it, never try fake it, yo. If them set a spell, man, I go break it. But it's like guns are coming about real life, food. Ever know the youth, say, would I get on the road? Quick if you make the pay, eat off your food. No man, I check how life can improve. Like walking closet, 100 pair of shoes. Burberry Cafelli, so till you're confused. Want make it in a life, not the X-News. Nah, I'm not no good fit, tell me try move. Sit at the eye, every man I try bro. See you at the killing of who you get loose.